Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create summary of any books, PDF, or YouTube videos using NotebookLM. Head over to your browser, type in notebooklm.google, and then simply get logged into your account. Once done, you will see a page like this. In here, select Create New. Wait for this to load. And make sure that you have your link. If it's a YouTube video, you're going to have to paste it right here. If it's a, let's say, PDF file, like I have mine right here, make sure that you have already downloaded it. Once done, go ahead and, upload the file and simply ask for summary. Now, as you can see that this has provided me with the overview of what my PDF was about. Let's go ahead and ask for some summary. You can also make any changes you would like. In my case, I would like to just get some summary. And likewise, you can also add some additional source by selecting Add Sources. Let's go ahead and select Send. After a couple seconds, it will summarize my entire PDF. Now, if you're trying to summarize a YouTube video, the process is same as well. At the first, you're going to have to, paste the link exactly at the place where I uploaded my PDF. Now, just like so guys, this is how easy it is. You can also ask some follow-up question under Start Typing. Thank you for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.